returning after not playing in that quarterfinals matchup against San Beda. Bacangke also making her return. She gets blocked by Evangeline Sog.
Bacangke is
Yeah.
perfect timing and anticipation.
Ito yun, yung atake ni Bacangke, no? NU with a strong start. Petalio from the left pin.
Good coverage by Betalio. Loresco.
Ang bilis ng transition ng FEU doon, Gaira.
Loresco talagang nakuha niya rin ito sa alas because she has been such a great player.
That play was brought.
Nakikita mo talaga na malaki talaga yung improvement itong ni Loresco. What a block from the FEU Tamaraw.
That was Petalio who got her hands on that one, but Celine Marsh undeterred. Again. Celine Marsh with a pass. Pat Salazar converts.
We've been seeing
An opportunity to showcase her talents here as Jers Petalio from the left side. Yeah, nice set from Tin Ubaldo.
perfect approach as well for Petal.
Sold from the pipe. Suplico again puts it up.
Suplico is everywhere on the court right now, and that is in for FEU.
Sora drills that contest so far.
And what a service from Banj.
Oh, Jers Petalio exploding for this spike brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order now. She went for the cross court long ball. Jazz Eliarina. I'm sure makakarinig siya kay Champ. Pero wala munang kaibigan today. This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order na. Di Caviteña against the Pulakenya. Jazz Eliarina, binawi naman agad. And you like how thin.
That ball was already going over, but having a tall setter like Ubaldo is such an advantage for FEU. That has been such an improvement for both of them is their blockings kasi established, but yung firepower din kasi nila. The players. Sharp serve. That's still good.
Free ball for the Lady Bulldogs. Alex Samata will get that one.
Mas nadadalian yung mga defense sa likod.
Tebosora, napayungan ni Alex Samata.
Players already have at least one block point each.
This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce. The way Coach Reg detailed that during one of their timeouts. But that time, she won't be denied. Ali Devos.
A point. That's a good pass.
Loresco quickly rectifying their mistake.
I remember Coach Tina when I got to experience her being my coach. Sabi niya, pag nagkamali na ang isa, wag na natin dagdagan. So yun nga, responsibility is key. But Banj Alinsog taking responsibility.
Sog with an explosion to cap off set number 1. And reigning UAP champions first one had to adjust. Bahamonde at the middle. Nice save by both Suplico and Iya David.
What a block from Iya David. Hot hand.
This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now. Escalar with an emphatic response for the Lady Bulldogs. Kay Bombita. Nice pickup by Suplico. Quickly, Kyle Pendon hammers it home.
You gotta love.
This school play brought to you by R&B Milk Tea. Order now.
And her hit as well, yung
Kyle Pendon, Escote, and Mitzi Panangin. Combination play, Kyle Pendon.
Pendon has been on good play from FEU. Pendon hitting from the middle.
Would need to beat NU twice again if they want to advance to the finals. Abe Pono, he will score. It's now
With Abe Pono, she actually got 12 points from the last game. So she has that confidence coming.
Before their particular game, na biglang sinibayan siya maging spiker, and she really got excited, and it really showed in her game against San Beda.
And what's great about Abby Pono is that she can be a setter spiker. So a lot of her in position. And she's been shining. Abby Pono has been shining as a setter. And now a blocker for her
Access denied.
team.
This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now.
Bobita with a sharp serve, and it's an ace.
Indeed, it was. Service ace. Standout. This serve of the game brought to you by Shakey's. From era to era to era, the fun keeps standout. Facing off against her former team. Bahamonde is denied access there by the net defense. Nice anticipation there.
And well-established hands pressed inside.
Hands on that one. 12 all. Dikit na naman po ang ating set. It's an ace from Karil Miranda. Nice pass. But she was sent back to the friend zone.
And Don, monster block indeed. Great tick.
For National University, but a service ace.
Iya David.
Oh, an
Service
ace.
ace. Thought that was gonna be an error, so she has to adjust to that one. Coach Reg asks for a timeout.
It's a 4-point lead for FEU.
It's powerful.
Celine Marsh. FEU showing better defense, but like we said, Frido. Ali Nevosora picked up by Hardio. Jacob with a quick play. Counters well for NU.
Tamaraus. Look at that explosiveness. You just need that calming aura.
I mean, having coached more seasoned professional players before, interesting dynamic yan, no? As kita mo, nag-respond din naman agad.
So good. Alinsug is blocked.
Linsog has been checked. Not really much offense from Van so far. Jers Petalio obliges and gives Petalio. So far, we haven't seen Gaira. Well, we've seen time and time again that net defense of NU. From Kyle Pendon, galing sa likod, Celine Marsh.
That's still good. A chance ball now for the Lady Bulldogs.
Nice scramble from FEU. Vangeline Sog. Nice pass. Nice dig from Ali Devosora. Maaya will put it away.
Maaya with
At the bench.
good block by Maaya.
Pendon sa kabila. NU, a chance to strike.
Defense on point for two teams, but could not keep that one up.
24. Set point number 4 for FEU. Cham Maaya puts it in.
And
Miranda. Devosora. She was denied.
what a hustle from NU.
21-24. Nicely done from Salazar. They are up 2 sets to none. 20 points for FEU. 4 points each from Jers Petalio, Iya David, and Kyle Pendon. Petalio with a sharp angle. Celine Marsh emerging from the back, and she was able to hit. That play was brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart. Our way, our rules. Download the app now.
But the NU Lady Bulldogs really responded well. That is what the team did. Getting that second set.
Jers Petalio gets FEU rather, needs to figure things out here. Alex Samata. Nice timing.
Perfect pass.
Vangeline Sog with a drop ball.
Good, because you already have good defenders at the back.
Kyle Pendon. Alex Samata. Yielding back in si Tin Ubaldo late in that second set. But really trusting yung bench unit niya doon. But Vangeline Sog, big
in fielding in her players, because again, you can only substitute 6 players in a set. So she good
Free.
save.
free ball na ito for National University. Nice playmaking by Lams Lamina. This school play is brought to you by Milk Tea, by R&B Milk Tea. Order now. David.
Good pass by Alinsug. They go to Marsh, going down the line, and she gets that point.
This spike is brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order now. Hailing from Bacolod.
And that is in. Back-to-back points by Marsh.
Coach Tina searching for the right combination, but at the moment they're free.
And what you can see from the blockers of FEU, they've been defending that down the line too much. That Vange
Eliarina was turned back.
set was actually too low for Eliarina.
Pat Salazar in between. This is
Deficit is that big, nagpapasok na yung coaches ng substitutions.
yeah.
Eliarina bumawi with that deep quick attack.
This school play is brought to you by R&B Milk Tea. Order now.
Good serve.
Alexa Matado will put it in. Lams Lamina. Petalio. Lams. From the pipe, Celine Marsh. 16. Look at this. Spike brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order now. Vangeline Sog elevating. This school play brought to you by R&B Milk Tea. Order now. 10 points. Celine Marsh was there. From the pipe, Alinsog. Tin Ubaldo keeps it in play. Lamina ang pinuntahan, si Pat Salazar. My goodness, Lams Lamina under
FEU, you can see na medyo sumusobra yung blockings nila kaya hindi nilang ma-establish.
4-point cushion.
Iya David going above and beyond. Good serve by Eliarina. Lamina giving it to Marsh through the block.
Cham Maaya. She gets it done.
And the NU lady